Christmas. It's December 25th, 2024. For most people, I'm uploading this at midnight. So you East Coasters may see it on the 26th. But technically, for more than half the country, it's still going to be a Christmas video. We're going back to Lorcana. This is the first chapter gift set that re-released this year, and everybody went crazy for it. I think the price spiked up over $100 for this item, even though it's $50, so doubled in value for a little bit. Right now, sealed, it's selling for $85, so the value is still up there. I picked mine up in January of, I had a receipt, I think it's a 2023, so full over a year ago, because it wasn't even in 2024. Maybe it was 2024, but I picked it up in January, and it's just been sitting here for a while. I'm not going to open the oversized foils. I have no way of protecting them, so I'm just going to keep them in that wax paper, and it's the same for every pack. It's Hades and Mulan, and then here's the smaller regular foil version of them in here. I thought this was going to be something special. I thought it was going to be a surge foil, or what do they call it? Enchanted, but it's not. It's just foils. And you'll see that in the booster pack, I actually pull out one of these Hades again later. So, it's really cool though. I love Hercules. I love the artwork. I think I noticed something when I was opening these. I think these cards are thinner than the current cards. Like the Azurite cards are thicker, so they don't bend quite as easily as this first chapter. So this is the first chapter. This is the first set that came out before Floodborn, because we did open Floodborn for the 12 Days of TCG. And look at this. I missed this. You could open these packets so cleanly because they split where the glue, maybe it's not glue, maybe it's just heat sealed, but where the heat seal is, you could just peel it open. You don't have to try to cut it or try to just tough it out and then end up bending the cards or marring the cards. They knew how to package it on the first chapter, and then it kind of went downhill from there. But most of these cards, like we said, they're at least 5 cents, so they don't go as low as those Magic the Gathering cards that can be a penny. I think it's a penny because it's valueless. Maybe they don't just say it's 0. I don't think any card ever comes up as 0. The lowest it'll go is a penny. And then for this set, at the very end, you will see a tally. I've been talking about doing it, but I like for the Magic the Gathering Lord of the Rings, I never went back and tallied everything and put it on the last video because it was 3 different videos and I wasn't sitting here editing them all at the same time. Maybe in the future I will end up doing that. Maybe I'll have time to sit down and edit all the videos at the same time. I'm thinking about doing that because this second year of opening trading cards has been just as much of a hassle as it was last year. So perhaps I'll pre-record this before Christmas for next year and maybe the year after, and that'll give me time to sit down and record. And I missed the first chapter. It had a lot of Aladdin. If you remember what I said last year, Aladdin's my second favorite Disney movie. One of the upcoming packs that we're opening here has a lot of Aladdin. I was loving it. Lots of genies, Jafars, and Aladdin himself. I did open this in order of weight. So one of them weighed 0.1 grams more, and I think it was 0.2 grams is what you're looking for a surge foil. So heads up, you'll see you can scrub through this video. We do not get a surge foil. We do get foils in each one, which is, was it? Yeah, I think it's different than Azurite C, right? We didn't get a guaranteed full in those. But I still don't understand why this set is selling for so much. Double the value initially when it restocked, and still $85 compared to $50 retail. At least they get Moana correct. It looks like they got the first, what do you say? The ink, whoever draws it, a cartoon artist. They got the original, compared to Azurite C, where it just doesn't look like Moana, like somebody else took over. Is that why this is selling for more? Because they have the original artists on the first chapter and then they kind of outsource it afterwards? And then how much are these going to be worth when everything in the future could be AI generated? A lot of future, a lot of speculation. So my goal for 2025 is to at least open some of the packets individually and get them posted up. Maybe we'll do TCG Fridays or something, is what we'll call it. And then, like I was saying, maybe open all of these bigger packs as 12 days of TCG for next year early. You know, maybe I'll get it done by March and then have it scheduled for a post. That way I have a little bit more time to put in totals and not rush through everything. But that also means that some of these openings might be delayed. Everybody else will be posting trading card games that they open during the entire year, and then mine will just be delayed till Christmas. I hope you're okay with that. Well, I hope you had a very Merry Christmas. Hope you're having a good holiday. Enjoy the upcoming New Year. Stay safe during your New Year's celebration. Thanks for tuning in to my unboxings. I'm gonna go cry over here at the loss of value that I had.